Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable music share to let friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on connections, then tap on Bluetooth. In here, tap on the option key at the top, and then from the pop-up, tap on advanced. Then we're going to tap on music share switch to turn it on or off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel, and in here you have more settings, so you can choose who to share your devices with, ask for permission to connect, or disconnect when nothing is played for 10 minutes. And down here you can also turn on or turn off for a certain connected devices. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.